this. We found it. This is the Watchtower. There's no Watchtower. We are deep in the backcountry right now. That's the hill we were on. I just want to see what's down this road, just a smidge.
Previously on Lost.
There's this secret sort of hidden lake. Pretty cool right here. You're gonna get wet. Oh, well, there's a gate, so we're definitely not going that way. Whoa, whoa, it's a fucking coyote. Wow, we found it.
And now the conclusion.
Goodbye, lake. Okay, our other destination is a place, like I said, called the Watchtower. And as far as I can tell, you just take this road right here, and it's really close by. So I'm not going to use the navigation. I'm just going to try to pick our way up there, because when I looked at the Google Maps yesterday on my computer, when you pick this as your destination, it takes you to the wrong road. So we're just going to try this road. Here's a cool bridge. Gotta get a picture there. It's a little campsite, very small. Not my usual, but nice. Oh, okay. Wet grass is actually wet. Slippery, who knew? 50-50, we hit a gate going up here, I'm guessing. But that lake was cool, man. It's neat that that's just up here. It's too bad that they've technically claimed it as private property. My guess is people are leaving trash, and so they feel like they gotta close it off. I said, lots of human waste, which is not cool, you guys. And you think, yeah, one won't matter, but one, it adds up, because a lot of people come to the spot you're at, and two, how many human turds do you want to see every time you go out? Because one's enough to gross me out, especially if it's like right on the trail. Maybe another thing if people just went like back in the woods. They don't, they just go right on the trail. It's like they won't take 20 feet back into the woods. If people did that, it wouldn't matter. I mean, it still wouldn't be awesome, but at least we wouldn't have to see it. Get into the bush, embrace your wild side. Holy crap, are we going up? Dude, I hope we get a view up here. This is gonna be awesome. Okay, here's where things get confusing, because I don't know. It could be either one. This is supposed to dead end, so my guess is that way because it's closer to the other road. Let's just go see what the map says about the direction we're heading in. So we're going sideways according to this. This is the right way. Yeah, oh yeah, right way according to the map. Let's go see. It's deep, we're climbing. You can hear the engine working. Okay, there's two roads. Oh, I think this is just a landing. Yep, just a little landing. Okay, good camp spot. Pretty off the beaten path. Okay, we're right on the edge, so I'm guessing this other road. I'm hoping it's it. Let's find out. My perfect road. Well, the roads I like the most are the ones that have stuff growing up in the middle, because it means they don't get used very often. And they're not maintained, so we're not likely to run across anyone up here. Maybe we'll see another coyote. Not that far from where he was. We are completely off the map now, friends. Whoa, cool, dude. Okay, we may have found something here. We may have found something here. Oh, and it doesn't stop. Oh, it keeps going, but like down. That's it right there. That's it right there. Look at this. Wow, cool. Let's go down there. Look at this. We found it. This is the Watchtower. There's no Watchtower. I wonder if there was, because you could see a lot from up here. Oh man, this is the spot. I say idiotic things when I pull up to beautiful views. I just get overwhelmed with awe. You can see all the way around 3 directions. Super sweet, dude. Super sweet. Insane. Okay, mission accomplished. I hear a logging truck. Actually, that's a tower. They're logging right over there. You can see it. This is a great spot for lunch, I'm gonna tell you that much. Okay, I'm gonna walk you around a little bit with the helmet cam and then I'm gonna take it off. This is a hell of a spot. We're gonna put the drone up unless it starts raining, which it may. Wow. Look at this. Hella cool. So the lake should be right down there, I think. This is just one side. Look at 3 sides, literally 3 sides right now. So that's one side. The logging. I see a log. Oh yeah, there's the. There it is right there. The tower's at the top. See, you probably can't see it, but it's hauling a log up right now. Wow. Pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. You see these little birds? You probably can't see them. They're like swallows or something. Well, I flew the drone out over there, and it must be close to their nesting grounds or something, because 100 of them came out. Okay, it was like 15. Came out and were like aggressively circling my drone. So I had to fly it over here instead, because over there they were very grouchy about it, and I was worried one would hit it and it would fall. I don't really want to hurt a bird, but I sure as hell don't want to lose my drone. I hope you enjoyed the drone footage. I saw another coyote, actually. There's a road right down there, running up that road away from a car that went by on another road. So that's 3 coyotes I've seen today, although it may have been the same one twice. So we're gonna try to head back out and see if we can find our way out. So I'm gonna use a combination of memory and Google Maps to get out of here. Let's see how that works for us. And we're off. Beautiful. Beautiful. Well, I love it when we accomplish our mission. Hit or miss sometimes, but not today, baby. Mission accomplished. I do wonder where that other road goes. Should we check it out? Should we go left here and just see? I kind of feel like we should. Let's see how bad the road is. Oh, it's a whole nother road here. Interesting. Entering public lands. Well, this up can't go very far. I'm curious. Let's go look. 9 times out of 10, it's just a landing. Just a little ending of a road, but sometimes you stumble across something awesome. And that's what keeps us coming back. Oh, this is longer already than I was expecting. Got another puddle for you. I might go a little slower this time, just to stay slightly drier than last time. You love it when you think it's a short little up, it turns into a whole thing. Again, why you always bring extra gas. It splits again. Well, we're going up. We're definitely entering. We're going to hit a down tree territory. We are deep in the backcountry right now. We're on a side road on a side road. Wow. Where does this go? It is not on the map. What have I done to myself? What have we here? A little opening. No, nothing crazy. Okay, this cannot go much farther. Right? It can't. We're gonna run out of ridgeline. Well, there's a sign. Used to be. Okay, we're gonna keep going up, but we're getting close to the limit here. A little steeper. Oh, someone's trimmed a tree up here. Yeah, okay. Yep, damn it. Alright, do you see it? We can get past this one, but we're not going to get past that one. I wonder. I mean, I could silky it, but I'm going to go ahead and take this as a sign, because this was a side road I wasn't planning on taking this far anyway. And chances are if there's one, there's more, so... Interesting little diversion, but I think we need to head back to our original plan. So we're going to turn around. Using the old go downhill method. One of my favorites. Here we go. Okay, cool, pretty. This is a neat track. Always wonder where these go, but there's more like this closer to the bottom or closer to home. So we're gonna head back. Just make sure that we can actually find our way back like we planned. This was fun. And it looks like this connects, so I'm guessing it goes up and over. I'm glad. I've never really explored the Siuslaw, but it's good to see that there is as much or more as I'm used to up in the Willamette. And the advantage of being here in the Siuslaw is this is the coast range, and so it doesn't get a lot of snow. And so all winter long, for the most part, your stuff's going to be passable here in a way that it isn't up in the Willamette in the Cascades. So that's good. This is a good spot to continue exploring. That was fun. All right, back down. This is a neat road. This is my kind of I like motorcycle roads, ones that if you're in your truck you might be like, I don't know. That keeps the riffraff out. Lots of water. Back on the road that goes back to the lake, mostly. Use the peak, bro. Back on the main, that's good. Good sign. I think this is my road. I hope this is my road. Got a bug in my eyelash. So take me up through the cliff. This is not my road. Okay, well, this is not the way I came in, so sorry, but no. Okay, so a little bit more drama on the way out because we're gonna have to navigate around some of these gates. I'm guessing that's the straight through path it wanted me to take the first time, so let's just keep going and hope it corrects to the other road. If not, let's hope I recognize the other road. I think it's this turn up here. That's my guess. Oh no, it wants me to take BLM 10 out and then take a left farther up. Okay, well maybe it's not that one. Well, let's trust the map, not my hazy recollection at the moment, but that might be it. This is taking me literally nowhere. Yeah, I don't remember this. I feel like I'd remember this. Although it might be a cool view right here. Dang, that's where they're logging. That's literally the tower we saw from up on top. I am so turned around. I don't think we're in the right place because I did not see that on the way up, but I want to go down and see what this intersection looks like. Yeah, okay, I didn't pass this thing either. It's a fun little over. Yeah, we're farther down than we were a minute ago. But there's a good view up here, so let's hit it and then we'll turn around and go back to the other road that I thought it was. Freshly logged. The brush piles and everything are still here. Here's a view of that logging tower. So we are totally on the other side. We were right up there. That's the hill we were on. Cool. Neat. All right, I'm gonna get the hell out of here because this is really fresh. So let's not stay here. The guy in the tower is probably like, what the hell? Cool, that narrows it down because it's gotta be that road I thought it was. And we got to see some more stuff, so I think this is my road. This is the one I thought it was. Should know pretty soon because it'll be that clear cut right away. And give it a shot. Yeah, this looks right. This is where we saw the coyote. Yeah, here's the clear cut. Okay, good. We're on the right track. This is the road that coyote ran up. Pretty neat. This is gonna go so much, it's always so much faster on the way out. Stuff that felt like it took hours is like, oh, that was 2 minutes. Cool view. Cool view. Pretty neat that we got all the way around and got to see that hill from the other side. Okay, and the way we came in is left here. So I'm gonna take it. I don't have a photographic memory, but I'm pretty good with directions and remembering what intersections and stuff look like. I'm not gonna say it's never failed me because it definitely has, but it's helpful. I wouldn't rely on it 100%. But when you have to make a call, it's nice to have a sense. Pretty sure it's this road. Or do I see where this goes? That actually says Weyerhaeuser land, so I can't go that way anyway. Alright, problem solved. Let's go this way. Do not get all cocky and assume your memory will lead you back. Always have a backup. It helps when things look familiar. Getting back was a little bit more of an adventure than I anticipated, but now we are actually on track. So I feel confident that I can get out of here. So it's just going to be boring retreads of the same roads we were on. So I think I'm going to sign off here. So I just want to say thank you for watching. I appreciate you coming along more than you know. If you enjoyed the video, if you had 1 second we were like, oh, that's kind of cool, man, I would really appreciate it if you could hit the like button for me. Likes and comments really make videos more visible, and that really helps the channel grow, which I appreciate. So help me share dorky off-road shenanigans with the world. All you have to do is hit that like button. If you really want to go crazy and help out, you could be one of the awesomest people in the world, like my patrons. Thank you, patrons. And if you're real crazy, you might even consider joining them. But for now, I just want to say thank you very much for coming along. I appreciate you, and please do not forget to be excellent to each other. Thank you.
Excellent!
Okay, well, I can't resist one more side road shenanigan. Yeah, this looks like it. There's a great camping spot right in here. Wow, the mud has increased significantly. So we see where this road goes just a little. Let's down this road just a smidge. Because we didn't come through on the twin, and it looks like it goes somewhere interesting. So curiosity is getting me. And then I'm definitely going down, I swear. This is gonna be the longest after credits thing ever. It just goes to a landing. I want to stop here for a minute.